Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the superfood power of strawberries. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants, which can help to protect your body against disease. They're also a good source of vitamin C and K, as well as fiber. Nutritional benefits of strawberries. Strawberries are a great source of antioxidants, which are substances that can help to protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants can help to reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Strawberries are also a good source of vitamin C and K. Vitamin C is an important nutrient for immune function, wound healing, and collagen production. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Health benefits of strawberries. In addition to their nutritional benefits, strawberries have been linked to a number of health benefits. For example, strawberries may help to lower blood pressure. Strawberries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that is packed with antioxidants. They have a number of health benefits, including lowering blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, can put a strain on your heart and other organs. It can also increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Strawberries contain anthocyanins, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help to relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. A study published in the journal Hypertension found that people who ate the most strawberries had a 10% lower risk of high blood pressure than those who ate the least. If you are looking for a natural way to lower your blood pressure, adding strawberries to your diet is a good option. Strawberries are a delicious and healthy fruit that can provide a number of health benefits. Improve heart health. Strawberries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that is packed with antioxidants. They have a number of health benefits, including improving heart health. Another study, published in the journal Circulation, found that people who ate the most strawberries had a 30% lower risk of heart disease than those who ate the least. If you are looking for a natural way to improve your heart health, adding strawberries to your diet is a good option. Reduce the risk of cancer. Strawberries are a good source of antioxidants, which are substances that can help to protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants can help to reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Strawberries also contain ficedin, a flavonoid that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. In a study published in the journal Cancer Research, ficedin was found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in the colon. Another study, published in the journal Nutrition and Cancer, found that women who ate the most strawberries had a 26% lower risk of developing breast cancer. While more research is needed, the evidence suggests that eating strawberries may help to reduce your risk of cancer. Improve skin health. Strawberries are a good source of antioxidants, vitamin C, and other nutrients that can help improve skin health. They may reduce inflammation, protect against sun damage, improve collagen production, exfoliate the skin, and brighten the skin. You can eat them fresh, add them to smoothies, make a strawberry face mask, or use strawberry extract in skincare products. How to eat strawberries. Strawberries are delicious and versatile fruits that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. You can eat them fresh, frozen, or cooked. Strawberries are also a great addition to smoothies, yogurt, and salads. Strawberries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that is packed with antioxidants. They have a number of health benefits, including lowering blood pressure, improving heart health, reducing the risk of cancer, protecting against cognitive decline, and improving skin health. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake, add strawberries to your diet today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on the superfood power of strawberries. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on health